In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Turtle Beach Stealth 700. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you encounter problems while trying to use or pair your Stealth 700 headset from Turtle Beach, performing a full reset can help with these issues. So you can perform a reset by pressing a specific combination of buttons. Keep in mind that this combination of buttons is going to be exclusive for this particular model, but you can try it with other ones, such as the Stealth Ultra. So for the Stealth 700, all that you have to do is press the mode button and the Bluetooth button simultaneously for a few seconds. So they are going to be located next to the power button, as you can see here, to the left and to the right. So all that you have to do is hold down the Bluetooth and the mode button for about 20 seconds. So you need to hold them down for a while. So hold down both of these buttons. This is going to be a very long press, so make sure that you do not release them early. Holding the buttons down for too long is better than too short. This will hard reset the headset, which may clear up any issues that you are experiencing. So if it wasn't charging before, if it wasn't pairing up properly, or any issues related to the headsets at all, this can often help. So make sure that you try this first before any other extreme measures or before trying to mess with the hardware on the headset. Doing this once should be enough, although you can try doing it multiple times. So after it powers off completely, power it back on. So after this process is done, press the power button once. You should see the LEDs light up and you are ready to use it again. Repair the headset, and if you need to get full instructions on how to do it again, connect the mini transmitter into any free USB port on your console, PC, and so on, depending on the platform. The LED will double blink as it searches for the headset, and once it is done, they will be properly connected. You don't need to do any sort of input. It should be a fully automatic process, so perform the reset and see if this helps. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Turtle Beach Stealth 700. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.